This is the best and easiest salted egg cornflakes. Wait till the end for the 3 tips to keep them crispy for days. You don't have to wait for Chinese New Year or Hari Raya to make these because any time is a good time to have this on hand. It's addictive. In a big pot at low-medium heat, add salted butter. This is one of the ways that makes it quick because you don't have to add any salt. Stir till it's melted. Add curry leaves, and adding chili flakes instead of chopping bird's eye chilies make this recipe the quickest. Of course you can add bird's eye chili, but we're all about fast free here. Add salted egg powder. I prefer using Knorr's, but any brand is fine. Stir lightly till you see the mixture gets foamy, like this. Then switch off the heat and do not wait to add the cornflakes. Mix well and make a mess like me. Don't pour all the mixture in one sheet pan as we want them to bake evenly. This makes about 2 sheet pans. Pour half of the cornflakes mixture and spread them. Bake for about 8 minutes or until you see it turn slightly brown. Look at that golden goodness! Here are the 3 tips on how to keep it crispy. 1. You have to bake them or else it'll not be crispy after a day. Tip number 2 is to ensure it's completely cooled before you put it in the containers. And the last tip is a tip where moms tells us to pour whatever snacks in a bowl instead of eating it straight from the container, causing the rest of the snacks in the container to be stale. Please let me know if you make these, and remember, life's hard enough, your meals don't gotta be.